Ever thought about how cool it would be if your home could think for itself? Imagine a place where your lights, thermostat, security, and even your coffee machine are all smart and connected. Sounds like something straight out of the future, right? Well, the future is now, and smart home devices are changing the way we live, work, and play. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 smart home devices that are worth investing in, bringing your home to life with technology that not only makes your life easier but also more fun. These are the gadgets that you didn't know you needed, but once you have them, you won't be able to imagine living without them. So let's jump right in. 1. Home Assistant ZWA 2. Imagine having a device that helps you control your smart home effortlessly, without interruptions or connectivity issues. That's where the Home Assistant ZWA 2 comes in. This smart home antenna offers long-range capabilities and better performance compared to its predecessors. Unlike older devices that relied on Wi-Fi, this system connects directly to Home Assistant, making it a game-changer for those looking for stability in their smart home network. The ZWA 2 has a full-length antenna that enhances its signal range and ensures better communication with all your Z-Wave devices, whether they're in the next room or across the house. With the latest 800 series chipset, this device is faster and more reliable, allowing you to set up and manage your home automation in a seamless and efficient manner. For anyone serious about building a robust smart home, this antenna is a must-have. What sets the ZWA 2 apart is the ease of installation. You don't need to worry about complicated configurations. Simply plug it in, and it works with a wide range of devices to make your home smarter. The increased throughput ensures better connectivity, meaning less downtime and fewer signal drops. With its improved design, you get the best performance for your Z-Wave network, making sure every connected device runs smoothly. Whether you're controlling lights, security systems, or appliances, the ZWA 2 delivers the best results. If you're building a smart home or looking to expand your existing setup, this device will ensure your Z-Wave network is operating at full capacity. It's the kind of device that works behind the scenes to make everything seamless, giving you more control and reliability in your home automation system. 2. Home Assistant ZBT 2. Next up is the Home Assistant ZBT 2, which takes over from the ZBT 1 and offers an even better connection for your smart home devices. Think of it as the gateway to your Zigbee or Thread networks. It's sleek, compact, and super easy to install. Unlike its predecessor, the ZBT 2 comes with a significantly upgraded antenna that ensures stronger, faster connections. This smart device also benefits from faster baud rates and the latest technology, making it ideal for users who need to cover larger areas without compromising the speed or quality of their smart home network. The ZBT 2 is perfect for those looking to optimize their home automation systems with minimal interference. By integrating Thread and Zigbee support, the ZBT 2 offers versatility that was lacking in previous models. You can seamlessly switch between these protocols, depending on your needs, making it more adaptable to the changing smart home landscape. It ensures that whether you're dealing with a large home or multiple floors, your smart home network remains reliable and fast. The small but powerful ZBT 2 is ideal for anyone looking to boost their smart home's performance. Whether you have smart lights, thermostats, or locks, this device guarantees stable connections throughout your home. This adapter can integrate with Home Assistant, expanding its functionality and helping you manage all your connected devices from a central hub. 3. Frigate NVR. Imagine not having to worry about your home security with constant subscriptions or hidden fees. The Frigate NVR system is a local-only solution that provides full-time surveillance without any monthly cost. It uses AI to detect objects, faces, and more, providing highly accurate real-time alerts. Unlike traditional security systems that require a cloud connection, Frigate NVR ensures that all your data stays within your home, giving you better control and security. What makes this system stand out is its open-source nature, allowing you to customize it for your needs. You can even plug it into other systems or have it send you alerts directly via Home Assistant. It's the perfect solution for tech-savvy homeowners who want a hassle-free, cost-effective security setup. The Frigate NVR doesn't require any subscriptions to get started. but it does offer optional paid features like the Frigate Plus subscription, which allows you to enhance functionality. With the added benefit of real-time AI object detection, you can accurately track the movement of people, cars, pets, and more, giving you peace of mind 24/7. The best part? All this processing happens locally on your hardware, keeping your data safe from cloud breaches. Whether you want to protect your home from intruders or monitor the comings and goings of people in your household, the Frigate NVR is designed to meet your needs with minimal setup and maintenance. It's a security solution that combines modern technology with a DIY approach, offering a highly customizable and secure option for homeowners. For a home assistant voice PE, have you ever wanted to control your smart home completely with your voice, without the need for external cloud systems? The Home Assistant Voice PE allows you to do just that, giving you full control over your devices. With its local voice processing capabilities, you won't have to worry about your data going into the cloud. What makes this device amazing is its ability to function even on low-power hardware, allowing seamless voice control over smart devices across your home. Whether you want to turn off the lights, adjust the temperature, or set a timer, this device listens and responds instantly, providing full voice control within your home. It's designed to prioritize privacy, so you can feel secure while talking to your assistant. The Home Assistant Voice PE is the ultimate addition to any privacy-conscious smart home. Unlike other voice assistants that rely on cloud-based services, this device ensures that all your commands stay local, maintaining the integrity of your data. By choosing this device, you eliminate the need to worry about data collection or online vulnerabilities, giving you full autonomy over your smart devices. This device is perfect for those who want to streamline their home automation experience without compromising on security. By integrating it with Home Assistant, you can control a wide range of devices, from lights and fans to security systems and more, all through voice commands. It's simple, powerful, and private. 5. Apollo Automation Sensors. The Apollo Automation Sensors are the perfect addition to any smart home looking to take automation to the next level. These sensors track everything from air quality to temperature and even motion detection, ensuring your home is always comfortable and safe. The M1 Matrix panel displays real-time data about your home's environment, while the R01 sensor controls your lighting based on your room usage. By integrating sensors that measure air quality and temperature, Apollo Automation provides a tailored smart home experience. It adapts to your needs, making sure your home environment stays just the way you like it. This level of customization ensures that your home isn't just smart, but truly intuitive. Whether you want to set the perfect temperature or adjust your lighting according to your mood, these sensors have got you covered. The Apollo Automation sensors also help you track your energy consumption, making it easier to make sustainable decisions. These sensors give you insights into your home's air quality and energy usage, helping you save on energy bills while maintaining a healthy living space. Over time, these devices can even adjust to your habits, learning the best settings to optimize your comfort and efficiency. With Apollo's wide range of sensors, you can customize your smart home to fit your exact needs. From controlling lighting and air quality to tracking energy usage, these sensors are designed to make your home smarter and more responsive. By investing in Apollo Automation, you can create a seamless, efficient, and environmentally friendly living space. There you have it, the top 5 smart home devices that will transform your living space in 2026. Whether you're looking for better connectivity, smarter security, or a more efficient home, these devices are here to help you take your smart home game to the next level. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates and smart home tips. And let me know in the comments which of these gadgets you're most excited about, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.